Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about daily life. Daily life means the small things we do every day. This is very important English because this is the English we use in real life. You do not need difficult words. You do not need long grammar rules. You only need simple English in daily practice. I will speak slowly. Please listen carefully. If you can, pause the video and repeat after me. Let's begin. Every day I wake up in the morning. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I stay in bed for a few seconds and think about the day. Then I get out of bed. I stretch my arms and my legs. This helps my body wake up. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror and smile. I tell myself, today will be a good day. After that, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning makes me feel fresh and active. Next, I get dressed. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I comb my hair and get ready for the day. Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat fruits. I drink tea or coffee. While eating breakfast, I sit quietly. I do not rush. I think about my plans. I ask myself, what do I need to do today? What is important today? After breakfast, I start my work or my study. If I study, I open my notebook. I read slowly. I write new words. I try to understand simple sentences. I practice speaking English out loud. I do not speak in my head. I use my voice. I say simple sentences like, I am learning English. I practice every day. I want to speak clearly. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak slowly and clearly. I do not worry about perfect pronunciation. I know mistakes are part of learning. As the day continues, I sometimes feel tired. This is normal. Everyone feels tired. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I sit quietly. I take a few deep breaths. Then I eat lunch. I eat simple food. I eat slowly and calmly. After lunch, I drink water. Sometimes I rest for a few minutes. I close my eyes and relax my mind. Later, I continue my work or daily activities. I try to stay calm and focused. In the evening, I finish my work or study. I feel lighter and relaxed. Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I stay at home. I like peaceful evenings. In the evening, I practice English again. I listen to English. I repeat easy sentences. I speak slowly and clearly. I enjoy learning English. I do not force myself. I learn little by little. At night, I eat dinner. I eat calmly. I do not rush. After dinner, I clean my place. I arrange my things. I like a clean space. Then I spend some quiet time. Sometimes I use my phone. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I just sit and relax. Before sleeping, I think about my day. I ask myself, what did I do today? What did I learn today? What can I do better tomorrow? Then I go to bed. I close my eyes. I feel thankful for the day. I sleep peacefully. Now listen carefully to this part. This is very important. You do not need perfect English. You need useful English. Talk about your daily life every day. Use the same simple sentences again and again. Repetition builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Speak even when you are alone. Your mouth needs practice, not only your brain. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Silence means nothing. Connect English with your real life. Talk about what you do. Talk about what you feel. Be patient with yourself. English takes time. Slow progress is still progress. If you can talk about your daily life, you can speak English confidently. Now it is your turn. Say one simple sentence about your day. For example, I wake up early. I study English every day. I feel happy today. Practice daily. Slowly, your English will improve. Thank you for listening. See you next time.